It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. Young Police Channel from Jamaica. Big up, Rastafari. Everton Blender said that.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, today we're going to show you a video to show you that Jamaica's history is crazier than you think, with wicked pirates and modern crime shaping the culture in ways you never imagined. So what you see happening in Jamaica, this is something that is deep in the psyche of the Jamaican people. Yes, I almost said deep in the psyche of the Jamaican people. This is something that has been going on for century, and you can see it. Can you believe this? There's a man of unsound mind, and you can unsound mind. Just look at the man's clothes and everything. We're not gonna say he's a Rasta man, but we know that he doesn't have all his marbles together. So did you know that the pirates once ruled the Caribbean? Yes, turning the seas into a playground of swashbuckling adventure. So yes, swashbuckling adventure. Imagine a world buried treasures, fierce battles and rogue captains define empires on the high seas. This thrilling, chaotic past is more than just legend. It is the foundation of the challenges Jamaica face today. So we have a video. We're going to let you hear this. This is a madman, Yeah, we won't say madman. We are talking him now for all marbles. And all the man are spew. I tell you, I'm DJing, I'm a DJ, Panasonic, all the man are spew. A violence, killing. We'll make you hear it. So, yeah, we'll make you hear it and them thing that. I will tell you, so this channel is not for the goldfishes, you understand? We know so them gone already because the introduction is too long. As we say here, if you're not learning anything, you're at the wrong channel. Yeah, you're at the wrong channel. You understand? So over here is an educational channel. We're not the entertainment things. You understand? Although at times, things, although it's entertaining, but it's still educational. That's the most important thing. You understand? So, welcome aboard as we embark on a deep dive into the intriguing history of Jamaica. Today, we are exploring the island's dramatic transformation from a notorious pirate stronghold to a modern-day hub grappling with crime. The story is packed with adventure, mystery, and crucial lessons that reveal how the past continue to influence the present. So get ready. This historical ride is about to begin, and it's one you won't want to miss. So present we have Jamaica. They used to say Jamaica no problem. No, Jamaica have lots of problems. Jamaica have many problems. But let's cut to the heart of the issue. Jamaica's identity as a pirate paradise, which is now a criminal's paradise, yes, has evolved in many ways that are far from the romanticized tales of yesteryear. What was once a land celebrated for daring buccaneers like Captain Morgan is now facing a different kind of notoriety. Yeah, rampant gang violence, drug trafficking, and economic struggles. The Bucklers of the past have been replaced by the headline of modern organized crime. This stark shift begs the question, how did we transition from a haven for adventurous pirates to a nation struggling with contemporary crime? The answer lies deep within Jamaica's complex history. So let's dig in. To truly understand, we need to rewind to the golden age of piracy, spanning the late 17th and early 18th centuries. Jamaica, especially Port Royal, was the epicenter of this pirate era, a hotbed of lawlessness where figures like Blackbeard and Captain Morgan strive. These pirates didn't just loot and pillage, they left an indelible mark on the Highlands culture, from its cuisine to its music, and their ill-gotten wealth even helped shape the Highlands' early economy. However, as piracy declined, not all former pirates went quietly into the night. Some found legitimate path, while others, hardened by years of lawlessness, turned to new forms of crime, laying the groundwork for organized crime networks that would later take root. So the transition from pirate to organized criminals wasn't just about survival. It was a shift that deeply influenced Jamaican social economic structures, setting the stage for future challenges. So the key turning point came as the pirate era waned and the colonial powers tightened their grip on the Caribbean. By the late 18th century, as piracy faded and the brutal reality of the slave trade took center stage, Jamaica's economy, the social fabric, were further strained. The end of piracy didn't bring peace. Instead, it paved the way for a new form of violence and exploitation as the government struggled to control the escalating violence. Gangs began to emerge, taking over where the pirates left off. This marked a critical shift in Jamaica's history. What was once a culture of rebellious defiance became entangled in a cycle of crime and violence that continues to this day. We attack 2024. So as we bring this journey from wicked pirates to modern crime, it's clear that Jamaica's history is more than just a collection of thrilling tales. It is a powerful narrative that shows how the past continues to shape the present in profound ways. The transformation of swashbuckling adventures to the grim realities of organized crime offer vital lessons that can help us understand and address the challenges Jamaica faces today. Now we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Jamaica's incredible history? Share your ideas in the comments below. And if you are eager to learn more, be sure to watch our next video, where we delve even deeper into fascinating topics. Yeah, so we're going to let you, our loyal viewers and subscribers, to listen. Yeah, man, as we tell you, we're going to let you listen to this Rasta man. Yeah, man, you're going to hear him DJing, and it's going to be shocking to hear. Yeah, literally, yeah, we as Jamaicans, we say, this man is a madman. You understand? So when we say mad, we attack somebody when I have all of them marbles. So join us on a captivating journey through the rich, tumultuous history of Jamaica, where the echoes of lawless past still resonates in the struggle of today. Our video explores Jamaica's transformation from the infamous wickedest city on earth, Port Royal, a notorious 17th century haven for pirates and buccaneers, to its present day challenges with crime and social unrest. Port Royal, once a bustling epicenter of vice and debauchery, has evolved into a quiet fishing village, striving to reclaim its place on the map through tourism. But the shadows of its past linger, influencing the island culture and social landscapes in ways that are both profound and troubling. We dive deep into the enduring impact of illiteracy and historical neglect on Jamaican society. Examine how these issues have contributed to the pervasive culture of violence that has become ingrained in everyday life. This video does more than recount events. It offers a critical analysis of social, political forces that have shaped the Jamaican identity over the centuries, from the volatile political tribalism of the 1970s, which pitted communities against each other, to the unsettling normalization of violence in music and popular culture. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel peel back the layers of history to reveal the roots of Jamaican modern day crime epidemic by juxtaposing the island's past and present. We expose the stark realities that define life in Jamaica today. This isn't just history lesson. It's a call to understand and address the deep-seated issues that continue to affect this vibrant nation. Whether you are a history buff, a lover of Jamaican culture, or someone seeking to understand the complexities of crime and society, this video offers valuable insight that will challenge your perceptions. So don't miss out. Like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening exploration into Jamaican history and culture. Discover how the legacy of wicked pirates and modern crime has shaped Jamaica in ways you have never imagined. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we are going to let you listen to this. Yeah, this Dread. When we say Dread, yeah, because I'm a Rasta. Although this man, him not have all like marbles them, but you can see the culture of violence and evil, the battery is still embedded and ingrained in his mind. You don't think that somebody, who lose all of them marbles would be, quiet and nice and no, but this man, violence, all him think about is just violence, killing, and it's a part of the Jamaican culture. So now we're gonna let you listen to this man. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. And the reason why we're sharing this, is just to show you that we tell you that as we said before, and we always say to people, say you see negativity, when if you breed negativity, that is what you're gonna get out, So that's why we always tell people all the time, the Jamaican people, to when you come on to don't speak negatively about yourself. So just like how we tell people, because if you harbor this thing of this negativity in your mind, it's going to be a part of you. So that's why we tell people all the while, don't speak negatively about yourself, even as a joke. Your body doesn't know the difference. Words are energy and cast spells. So that's why we say when we say words have energy, that's why we'll hit out on the artists them, like the Buju Bantans where talk about say, yeah, me serious, me have to get it tonight. Me have to get your body by a gunpoint. That a murder, that a rape him he's promoting. And women love him. Jamaican women love him, but they haven't been the victims of rape. Women who have experienced rape contact us and they appreciate what we have done to bring this music of promoting rape in the international arena. But guess what? You have to understand that we have enemies. We have enemies still, as black people who want to see the destruction of us as a race, of a people, lose our culture, our morals, ethics, decency, and to get our people desensitized and have them as laughing stock of the world. Yeah, so just like whether or not you want to believe it, you see when all of these people, they meet up in their boardrooms and they're showing videos of our black women having falls here and all these fake eyelash and the mascara and all of these things, them laugh at them and whether or not you want to believe it, call them clowns, and laugh at them, say these are people who are still lost, they don't know themselves, while their race of people, white people, even if them have on dirty clothes, them still white, because them still not lose their culture. But we as a people, we don't have our black culture, that richness of self-respect, self-love, high self-esteem, no longer there. Women have to expose themselves and them trying to be something that they are not. Everybody want for sure so them rich when them poor. Nobody don't want to live in them means anymore. So that's why I say don't speak negatively, even as a joke. You have to understand that, you know, your body don't know the difference. So that's why I say music have power. So that is why it's called spelling. Change how you speak about yourself, and you can change your life. So that's why I would say, don't listen to any music where I tell you about killing. Eventually, your mind and your body are going to absorb it. Yes, and it's going to become a part of you. So when they talk about say informer for dead, man spear and gunshot for bust up in an informer, and that's Buju Banton, they're promoting killing of witnesses who witness other people's rights being violated. But they don't see it as that. Them see it as something good. So informer has been planted in the head and the minds of the Jamaican people, and people, black people, all over the world, even in America, them call them snitches, and snitches must get stitches. Just think, take back, what, you know, relax. If you witness someone violate your mother, what we say violate, we talk, hold her and take it. Yeah, hold her and take it. What? You not going to tell the police, or are you going to seek your own justice? Because if you don't tell the police, that mean, if you tell the police, that means you're an informer, because you're not supposed to do that, but it's your mother. Remember that connection that is there. So you're going to feel you're going to be mad, you're going to be upset. So what they're telling you is you must ignore that and allow the person who violates your mother to walk free. If you dare to report such person, you must be killed, because you're an informer, you're a snitch. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Center say, no, you are a patriot, you're doing a patriotic duty by reporting the person that violates your mother right. The reason why we use your mother, because we know that those of us who have mothers, because none of us came on this earth without a mother. Unless you're a tube baby or some, you understand what I'm saying? And you still have to have a mother, because two persons of the same sex cannot produce a child. And we don't care what the liberal them want to say, and the mad people them, we know say them is all about them feelings. What about my feelings? You understand what I'm saying? And that's a madness where I destroy this world. So you have to understand, but yet the same artists them we are doing all of these music for desensitize our people. And just like, you know, Vibes Cartel in his ear there when he was out, or him get even little children, school children, to do the unthinkable on buses in public, desensitize them, and them feel like them say it's fun, in which that's how a lot of these, you know, many girls in Jamaica in their early 20s that are HIV positive. You know how many of them, guess what? Because the government, when I was growing up, Jamaica never have nothing about no privacy or this or no privacy that. Them have privacy law in Jamaica that protect people that have protect Jamaican people privacy and a whole. So things that used to happen and people would know, you can't know, or else them can't sue on them things. So we have become a society like a model for America, and we are not Americans. You understand? So Jamaica is an American outpost with no American benefits. So next time you see a tall black boy, tell him he looks like an entrepreneur, an attorney, and an influencer, an analyst, an accountant, a CEO, and not just a ball player. Black boy can excel at all things, not just sports and DJing, talk about killing, and talk about girl, me serious, me forget it tonight, me forget your body by gunpoint. And informer for dead. Informer are good people. Gunmen are bad people. These are the people that we must disassociate ourselves from, and they must be. So that's why, so when you people, all of you people who are supporting men like Buju Banton, you are contributing to crime and rapes in Jamaica. And I say that, and I say that, you understand what I'm saying. But as I said before, I will do a follow-up because we don't support criminality. I don't care who I'm vexing. I am not into this to make no friend with the guy. And you understand? I just saw it go. Because we want back our country. You understand? So, as we continue this, so then as we tell it, the next time you see a black boy or a black girl, just tell them that you're a queen, and you're kings. So the image, the image that you create in your mind, and in our text, the humorous, the contrast, consistency of skin color in black individual with changing skin tone of white individual on a different condition. That is wrong. God, that are bleaching. Oh, you forgot to do that. That means saying you love yourself as a black person. So that's why we know say Vibes Cartel and them people that them have low self-esteem. But these are people that them idolize. That because black people, them have get in such a way that black people are desensitized. Them have self-hatred, low self-esteem. Them don't love themselves no more. Them don't love blackness. Everything black, them want to get rid of it. And black people not even love themselves. Every black woman now. That's why, whether or not you want to believe it, that's why these black women, they find themselves, it doesn't matter how educated they are, them find themselves single because the black man is saying that they don't know who is real from who's not. So that's why them gravitate to the other race. And them not realize that all of these things has been done to destroy the black community. So them not realize, by doing all of these falls here and falls this and falls that, them are destroy the black community. Because guess what? You see most of the black men them are sleep with them have kids. Most of the time them don't want nothing to do with the woman them. So these kids now born and love and ugly kids. Because the women them have on makeup and people look at them and think that they're beautiful and realize to them like dopey. So so this was written by a black gentleman named Chris Porter in Broward County, Florida. And it is so funny. What a great sense of humor and creativity when you are black. You are black. So we are telling you something now, but before we'll make a little video with this this dread. When I was born, I was black. When I grew up, I was black. When I went into the sun, I stayed black. When I got cold, I was black. When I was scared, I was black. When I was sick, I was black. When I die, I'll still be black. So you have to understand now, you have to understand who control the music and who control the message. It's not us, it's not black people, So listen now. So now you are white, folks. When you were born, you are pink. When you grow up, you are white. When you go into the sun, you get red. When you are cold, you turn blue. When you are scared, you are yellow. When you are sick, you are green. When you bruise, you turn purple. When you die, you look gray. So it also shows, so this text uses humor to make a point about constancy of skin color in black people versus variability in white people skin color under different circumstances. It's a playful and creative expression of identity. So you have to understand who control the message. Look, anything you have to do with rear admirals, and Jamaican people who are listening to these channels know what we mean when we say rear admirals. Rear admirals have nothing to do with black people, it's white people, but yet the same rear admirals they were able to get our black people, black artists, the same Buju Bantams and all of these people say inform of it dead and them say all kind of thing. Get them. Yes, they are able to get these people to denounce violence against rear admirals. But yet they still continue to promote violence against our black people. Black women, black men, black girls, black boys. Because them say inform of it dead. Gunshot for going on inform head. So if they rape you or do anything to your daughter, you must not do anything. And if they do anything to your mother, you have to suck it up. So I want you to listen to this Rasta man. Him not have all of marbles. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
This time I don't want to clash me now. I'm going to keep on a clash show before you come. Oh Lord God, listen to that. How me clash boy when me a clash them. Watch ya. Hear them labour. And I know only the legal and the illegal like a bus rifle shot. Dog, I can't take a figure with a only the legal and a bus rifle shot. Watch out. They know that sees a free man and kill every illegal kind of macro side. You get slow piece and simple like the DJ this week. Line and cripple. Magnum take off and desert you go. You so wild like you stay illegal and you're pulling like a when you say no weeble. We take them to our earthy vehicle. And we put them to our church is vehicle.
Yeah, so you have just listened to, what you would say in Jamaican terminology. Yeah, he's not all there. Yeah, not really have all I'm marbles together. And in Jamaica I would have said, boy, him cooks, him cuckoo. But you can't use certain words on YouTube because your channel will get it. You have to be very creative because it's all about people's feelings and you're hurting other people's feelings and stuff like that. So in today's world, what we have just witnessed is nothing short of a tragedy. A man who seemed to lost touch with reality, possibly suffering from severe mental illness, standing before a crowd, DJing, or in American terminology, rapping about murder, violence, and the destruction of life. This man appears to be homeless, because if you look upon him, raggedy clothes, dirty, and all kind of things. A reflection of a dire circumstances that many faces in our society. Yet, instead of his words being met with concern or pity, they are met with cheers and celebration. So in Jamaica, we celebrate wickedness, Yeah, whether or not you want to believe it, we celebrate wickedness and promote wickedness. Yes, you understand. Anything that's positive and that to help our people. No, we know that. We know the wickedness. That's what we're all about. Wickedness, increase. Yes, that's how it is. So this reaction is not just troubling. It's a stark indicator of the moral crisis gripping Jamaica. This is the reality we must confront. A culture where glorification of violence has become so normalized that even the most disturbing display of it are celebrated. The fact that a man seemingly at his lowest point can stand in front of a crowd and receive applause and promoting death and destruction is a clear sign that we are in a very dark place. What we reach here, what I have to do, have to go back and, you understand? Yeah, we have to go back and you have to go through the channel from the first video them, because we have done close to 2,000 videos. And thanks to the people them at Patreon, who kept this channel going. Yeah, because they must say, the squad, you have very, very decent people who are there on Patreon who really love Jamaica and them love what we are doing. Jamaica desperately needs a strong moral compass to guide us back to a path of respect for life, peace and community. The glorification of violence is tearing apart the very fabric of our society. And it's up to us to change this narrative. We must strive to create a culture that values life over death, peace over violence, and unity over division. The time for change is now, before we lose more of our society to this dangerous mindset. It is not just about stopping the celebration of killing. It's about transforming our collective values and setting a new course for the future generations to come. But some people don't care, because once them happy and them hear the music, and them can dance and have fun, that's all that matters to them. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we beg to differ because we just want back our island. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.